Hi guys, welcome to XSY Seat cover. Mr. Lee from the factory. As you can see, this 2017 to 2019 Chrysler seat has been severely worn. We'll replace it with a factory sample to see how it looks. Remove the clips on both sides by prying them off with a screwdriver. Then, unscrew the bolts that secure the seat back. After that, you can easily remove the seat back. Separate the seat cover from the foam padding. Next, remove the back panel by detaching it from the seat back. Don't forget the armrest, we need to unscrew it using a tool. Okay, the entire seat disassembly is now complete. Now, we will install our factory seat cover. It's a perfect match for the original vehicle seat. Tuck its edges into the crevices using a trim tool. Don't worry about damage, our sample is of high quality. We then roll it over from the inside out for a perfect fit. Secure the side card strip in place, and the card strip is fixed in the corresponding position at the connection between the leg rest and the seat cushion. Place the cover over the seat back mold. The pre-drilled holes make it easy to secure with hog rings. Tuck in the edges neatly to complete the installation. We have also included an armrest for you. Are you satisfied with this seat? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow us. We've got over 2,000 seat cover patterns and we'll be updating more soon.